One man is dead following an alleged shootout between gunmen in Greenwich Town on Thursday morning. According to Jamaica Constabulary Corporate Communication Unit, the incident took place along East Avenue and 8th Street in the community sometime after 9 this morning. The victim has not yet been identified. The police are advising the public that the area has been cordoned off to facilitate the processing of the crime scene. Motorists are being asked to use alternative routes. Two of the three men who were arrested on Thursday following a pre-dawn operation in Ginger Hill, Bath, St. Thomas by the Lottery Scam Task Force has been charged. Charged with possession of identity information is 28-year-old Jermaine Dixon, otherwise called Leechin, and 33-year-old Sean McDowell, otherwise called Sabora, both of Ginger Hall addresses. Reports are that between 4 a.m. and 9 a.m., 3 premises were searched and identity information for people residing overseas was found on cell phones and laptops belonging to Dixon and McDowell. A third man was also taken into custody for questioning. 3 high-end vehicles were also seized. Dixon and McDowell's court date has not yet been finalized. Several motorcycles were today seized and riders prosecuted by the Gainesville Police in St. Catherine in an ongoing effort to tackle breaches of the Road Traffic Act. The operation saw riders being prosecuted for no license, unlicensed motorcycle, riding without a helmet, no insurance, and other violations. The police say increased action is being taken as bikers continue to flout the law. Some residents commended the police drive to keep the street of the rural township safe. Those prosecuted are set to appear in the St. Catherine Parish Court in October. For several months, the Gainesville police have used a zero-tolerance approach against indisciplined motorists.